Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Jeffrey De Los Santos with a quick video. Have you ever gone into your phone to log into your Instagram account and all of a sudden you notice that you're actually logged out of your Instagram? And not only that, but when you go ahead and try to log back in, you get this error message. Well, the same thing happened to me, and I'm actually here to make this video so that I can teach you guys how to get your Instagram account reinstated. So if you haven't noticed yet, Instagram is actually a very strict platform, and any little thing that you do on Instagram can cause you to be either banned, disabled, or removed completely from Instagram. Now, one of the things that can cause this to happen is just any spammy activity or just posting any inappropriate content, such as like something that's offensive to others, or content that may contain some nude pictures on that post that you put up. So any little thing like that can actually cause Instagram to review your account and take action. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, how I know that this is so is that it actually happened to me. My account was actually removed at some point by Instagram, and I wanted to make this video so that I can teach you guys how to get it reactivated, because either you did break the guidelines of Instagram or you didn't, but either way they removed your account. And some of you have a legitimate account, like you don't just put up personal posts and just like to show off on Instagram. You actually post content for your business, and maybe not for an actual legitimate business, but at least you're posting content to get somewhere in the future and possibly open a business or possibly monetize your account. And you've gotten so far building up your account, but all of a sudden you get your account removed. And I know how that feels. Like I said, it happened to me, and I had to do whatever it takes to get my account reinstated. But I'm here to help you guys take a shortcut and actually get straight to the point with you guys and show you guys how I did it and how I got my account reinstated. Now, there's a few different ways that Instagram can pretty much disable you from taking any action on your account. Like sometimes they'll ban you or block you from actually doing anything with your account, such as like they can block you from liking people's posts or commenting on people's posts. They can block you from following people, or even just doing anything at all. You may still have an active account, but you just can't take any action. Other ways is like they'll just disable your account, temporarily just turn it off and not allow you to go into it. And another way is just they just completely delete your account altogether, and not ever allow you to go into your account. But what happened to me was I actually in the past have had certain actions blocked because I had an automated system that was liking, commenting, and just sending DM messages to other accounts and also following other accounts. So I did get my account banned to take certain actions. And I think that's what led into my account actually getting disabled. And that's what I'm going to teach you guys how to do in this video. I'm going to teach you guys how to enable your account after it's been disabled. But I just wanted to kind of share with you guys what led my account to be disabled. And to be honest, I think the reason why it got to that point was because even after seeing all the times that my account was banned and it didn't allow me to take any action as far as like liking other posts, I still never stopped using the automated system, or even slowed down with it. And I don't think it's totally wrong to use an automated system. I mean, yeah, it's breaking Instagram's terms of service, but if you're taking it easy with it and not abusing it just like I was, then you should be good. But what I actually recommend you guys to do is not use it at all. But it's totally up to your discretion. If you do want to use it and not want to abuse it, then that's fine. But like I said, recommend not using it and just grow your account the hard way. because at the end of the day, you are taking a risk of having your account being completely closed, and disabled, or just deleted at all, completely. So, going back to the error message that you initially get when trying to log in, what you want to do is you want to click on Learn More. Now, once you click on Learn More, you come to the screen where it pretty much tells you that you're deactivated or disabled, and it gives you, the reason, kind of the reason why, but not exactly. And it tells you that if you want to learn more about how to follow their guidelines, just go to their community guidelines or whatever. But it also says at the bottom of the screen that you can actually report it if you feel like it was a mistake on Instagram's part to disable your account. So once you click on that, you come to another screen where it'll ask you pretty much some basic information about your account. So I'm going to actually quickly run down what I did first before I actually figured it all out and found out how I was able to reinstate my account. But at first, when you first go to the screen to kind of report that it was a mistake for them to disable your account, there is a question at the top, and they pretty much ask you if you're a personal or business account. Now, I am an actual business, so immediately I wanted to select business account. And what happened was that all the basic information populated or came up and pretty much asked me for all the basic information. But it also asked me for some additional information, and pretty much it was asking me for like any tax filings for my business, or like the local business license, things like that, which I did have it on hand. That was no problem for me, but maybe a lot of you don't have that. And what I did was I provided that information, and I replied to the email, sent them a copy of my tax filing, and I think that was it. I think it was my tax filing that I sent out. So I guess they were okay with that, and then they replied with this email. And here, it's pretty much straightforward, nothing too difficult. So they were pretty much asking me to send them a JPEG formatted photo of myself holding a white piece of paper, pretty much showing the code that was listed at the top, the business name, and my name. So I did that, and this is actually the picture that I took, which I sent to Instagram. Boom. So once I emailed Instagram with a picture of myself, at that point it was just a waiting game. So I think I waited like 1 or 2 days before I got a response, or I actually waited 1 or 2 days before I actually emailed them because I got really impatient. I wanted to know what was going on. So I emailed them. I pretty much said, Instagram, please let me know what's going on. Like, I worked very hard for my account, and if I did break any guidelines, I'll ensure that I follow your guidelines going forward. I do apologize for this. So then once I replied, I literally got an email like 10 to 15 minutes later stating this. And as soon as I saw this email, my heart sank. Like, I got nauseous, I got sick immediately. Like, it was something really tough to swallow for me. So I got a little discouraged. I was just like, damn, what am I gonna do now? I may have to create a new account. But after thinking about it again, I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna fight for my account. Let's see if I can do something a little different to get my account reinstated. So I thought about it, and I was like, you know what? What if I change the information up a little bit? So what I did was I went back to the initial screen where you enter all the information for your account. And what I did was, instead of selecting a business account, I actually selected a personal account. And also, what I did was, instead of entering my business name, I entered my personal name. Instead of entering my business or my Instagram email account, I entered a different email account that I have. So a lot of the information that I entered was actually different, and I think it was just like the information that I just mentioned that I changed up a bit. The only thing that I left the same was my username, and that I think that's all you really need for them to reinstate your account, because that's the account that needs to be reactivated. So as soon as I did that, they asked for the same information, as far as like the picture that they needed for to be sent to them. So I go ahead and I take another picture of myself, and I actually make it a little better because I thought, well, the last picture that I took was in my car, and there may have been a lot of lighting. I don't know. Something may have been wrong with that picture. So I sent them this picture, and I don't know if that was a better picture for them, but I actually waited a few more days, and I got this email saying that my account was reactivated. Now, what I believe that helped me in this situation was that I kept trying, I kept asking them, and surprisingly enough, I actually got a response pretty quickly, because I actually looked into it and I was seeing who else had the same issue that I did, because I can't believe that after just 2 tries I got my account reinstated. And there's actually a lot of people out there that have tried many times and haven't gotten their account reinstated, and there's people that have tried a lot of times and they did get their account reinstated. So I think it all depends on Instagram, but as long as you keep trying and keep trying different methods, you should be good. And what could help is that you actually provide a good photo of yourself, and that you do it through instead of selecting a business account, you do a personal account, in order for you to provide as little detail as possible. Because I think when you let them know that you are a business, they have to look into more things. But when you let them know that you're a personal account, there's not much to look at. They just look at your email, see if it's a legitimate email, your account, your name. They'll look at your picture, and they make a decision based off of that. Now, this is what helped me reinstate my account and get my account back up and running. But you guys may know exactly what I did that might have helped get my account back up, or you guys may have a different method that worked for you. If so, just put that down in the comment section. Let me know what actually helped you out to reactivate your account, so that we can help other people who have tried even the method that I'm providing and still haven't been able to get their account reactivated. So that's the end of this video. I really appreciate you guys and all your support and actually watching this video. If you have any questions, again, just leave a comment, and I'll try my best to reply to your questions. If you can, please like my video here. I would greatly appreciate it, and also please subscribe to my channel. And if you would like to see more videos like this, just click on the little bell at the top, so that you can get some notifications letting you know when is my next video. But thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys soon.